Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful and charming ideas. Very latest and beautiful design. It's beautiful and unique ideas. You will be a perfectly and latest design. Its latest videos or many others articles. Are many beautiful designs. You will be a perfectly videos and perfectly ideas are also sharing with you. Are many designs, are many beautiful designs, many attractive videos. You will be perfectly designed. If you guys are interested in another articles, in another videos are also sharing with the most latest trending design. Most beautiful designs are also sharing with you. Are many beautiful ideas, are many attractive videos. If you guys are interested in another articles and latest designs and latest videos are will be sharing with you. Are also sharing with the most demanding design and latest designs, latest many beautiful designs of crochet birds ideas. Crochet birds are also attractive, are also beautiful designs, are many beautiful videos. If you guys are interested in another articles, in another videos we will be sharing with you. Are also sharing with the most demanding designs, its demanding videos, latest ideas, latest many videos. Are you like these perfectly designed? It's perfectly videos. If you guys are interested in another articles, in another videos are also sharing with the most latest trending design, most beautiful videos. Are you like these amazing ideas? It's amazing and beautiful design. You will be a perfectly videos. You will be stunning and also too many designs, many videos. Good more elegance ideas are will be sharing with the most latest trending design. Most beautiful videos are will be sharing with you. Are also sharing with the most attractive full ideas and latest beautiful charming looks. Are you like these perfectly videos? If you guys are interested in most demanding and charmful ideas, you will be also to attractive videos or latest trending design and latest ideas. You will be a perfectly videos. You will be stunning and also to many designs and latest ideas, latest videos. Are many birds ideas like a parrot and different birds are also sharing with the most crochet many things, many decorations ideas, many beautiful designs. If you guys are interested in another ideas and different types of all good design.